Hello everyone, my name is Destiny Smart, and in this video we would be covering how to do the Blink batch payment. We are all about Bitcoin education. We teach Bitcoin, we bring Bitcoin to the people, and recently we graduated our fourth cohort, and it is time to send some SAT reward to all the amazing participants for our cohort 4. And I'm like, okay, how can we send this out to everyone without wasting time? So it rang a bell that we can do the Blink batch payment. So this was the poster for the graduation, and without wasting your time, we'll be covering how you can do the Blink batch payment by following the step-by-step guide on how we are going to do ours to our students. So follow up and yeah, like, subscribe, and share this video. So let's dive in. First thing first, concerning this Blink batch payments, this allows you to effortlessly make multiple payments to various Blink users within the ecosystem. So this allows for ease of pay for different Blink address using um, Blink within the ecosystem. So first thing first, you log onto your Blink dashboard. Okay, log onto your Blink dashboard and you sign in. Make sure you put okay. So this SMS should drop right about now. Okay, this is how fast and easy it is to sign in on your Blink dashboard. And having a Blink dashboard is only for anyone with a Blink wallet. So make sure you have a Blink wallet before even thinking of signing in to your Blink dashboard. So with your Blink dashboard, this is more of like your API, Blink API. So you can use this dashboard to do amazing stuff. So one thing we're going to use in this to do in this dashboard is to batch payment, to send out multiple payments to multiple Blink users at once. So you just come down from this home page to the batch payment page, and note it's still on beta. So the first thing you need to do is to have a format for the CSV file. So in essence, you would have to put in accordingly all this information in the right format, then upload it to this dashboard right here before you can even think about sending the payment. So now let's dive into it. So you can, I'm sure you can use spreadsheet to and then convert to CSV, but that would be a long case scenario. But you can just use your Excel sheet to do yours. And once you download the template, this is how it will look like, and you have to fill in the username, amount, currency, wallet, and memo. But to save us time, I've done it, and this is how it looks like. For the amount, currencies, wallet, and memo. So just to touch on all this, your amount is the amount of money you are sending per the user. So amount to username is very important. The currency is either you send sats or you send in USD value. So if instead of to send one sat, you can send one USD. So depending on how relatable you all are with with transacting. The wallet, in Blink Wallet, they have two different accounts. One, the Bitcoin account. Two, the stable sat account, which is US dollar. So you can choose to send from the Bitcoin account, or you can choose to just use the USD instead. And the memo is just like a short note for the people to know that this is where the stuff is coming from, and just to have a clear reminder just in case. So now I'm saving my CSV file. Okay, so now I will have to go to my Blink to upload my final CSV file. Okay, insufficient balance. So at this point I'm very broke on SAT, and what I'll do now is to send SAT to the wallet I'm going to use to transact with all the students using this second Blink wallet. So this is how it will do when you want to send to Blink. You make sure you have the username or the Blink address. This is destinysmart@blink.sv, so feel free to send SAT over to this address. It's working very well at this point. Okay, so the next thing you also need to do is to insert the amount you're going to send. So I'm going to insert 23,000 SAT. So this is what, after I did the calculation, this is how much we'll be sending to the students. Okay, just put quotes for Bitcoin reward. So this is my notes. Next, and slide to confirm. Done. So now I've recharged, more of like I've recharged for my stuff. I can cancel this, then go back here, then upload the CSV file again and wait for it to do the magic. So I'm trying to send SAT to over 16 or 15 addresses right here, and as you can see, it run process. As you can see it, the total payable amount by BTC wallet for SAT currency is 18,500 SAT. So I'm yet to receive invoices from some students. So these are the people. With just one single confirm payment, I can easily make my batch payment. This is very, very cool. This is a good app, a good solution, and I'm sure everyone would find this very useful. As you can see, I'm sending both one SAT 500, 3,000, 500, 500, 5,000, 5,000, 500, 500 to these people all over Africa, not just Nigerian. We have like 4 Ghanaian, 4 South African, or 3 Ghanaian, 3 South African, 1 Malawi, 1 Zambia, Nigerians. So these are people that I'm going to send this stuff for. Very, very amazing. And as you can see, balance in USD $0, balance in BTC wallet 23,000, more of the money I sent just now. So very, very amazing. So once I click confirm, we are going to see the magic. I believe it will go through. Okay, payment failed. Oh, okay, I can't send SAT to myself using this stuff, so this failed. Check. But every other transaction went through, and that is so. Yeah, you can use this solution if you want. because this is a nice solution. The batch payment, I'm able to send sats to 4 different countries or 5 different countries just by sitting at the comfort of my home. And I don't need to copy and paste because it can get very, very crazy while you're trying to do that. So if you like this video, let me know. If you'd want more videos that explains more features on any Bitcoin wallet, please put in the Bitcoin wallet so we can see. And so if you want to study Bitcoin more, you can just come up maybe on Twitter and search for Bitcoin African Story. There you can see more of our updates. We put out updates that educate more about Bitcoin, and also check us on Facebook, Monster, TikTok. So feel free to hit our DM, and yes, let us keep growing with Bitcoin. Cheers.